Welcome back to a new episode of Fora the Explorer. I hope this video turns out to be amazing because I am making this legit after like 10 months and I just want it to be a start of many more experiences. My darling, I love you, 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 I love you. I am trying to vlog from a back camera of my phone and I don't know how this video is like, but good morning guys. It's 4:30 in the morning and I am out with my coffee because I am going for a very special experience. I would say I am going for a farm and forest for Raj, and it's going to be really exciting. I mean, I'm just waiting for a couple of friends to join in, so I'm waiting for them, and then we're gonna go there and I'm gonna show you everything that we're gonna do, and you are gonna be amazed. I am telling you, you're gonna be surprised, amazed, thrilled, whatever. So stay tuned for this video.
Hello.
Tell us something.
Is it?
Hello, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
What's up? Where are we?
We are at Shardul's house. We don't generally tell people
Disclose
the
the place,
location
yes.
because we try and keep it quiet so that it doesn't get messed up with too many people. But we're in Shardul's house and Shardul's farm, where we
That's
will
the
be
farm.
spending the day. And so with regards to the house, I'm not the best person to tell you about the house, but I'll just tell you that it's made purely with sustainable methods. There's no concrete used. There's just bricks and bricks and cow dung and lime that has been used to make.
Oh man.
My name is Johan Daniel. I'm the founder at Jack and Hill Adventures. We run an adventure, tourism, outdoor, hands-on experience company. Shardul, on the other hand, is a schoolmate of mine, and we studied together in the same school. And he used to score an A plus on all his
You don't have to tell that to
That's my
everyone.
favorite. So what Shardul does is he will tell you far better, but he runs a company called Design Jatra, and they're into sustainable architecture, purely sustainable.
So the whole journey started with some plants that were growing there. Okay. Every year we used to take out those plants because they would hinder the rice plantation. Sorry, why are you removing this? You can eat them. I said, how can you eat these, random weeds? He said, yeah, there's so many things that we can eat. So then he showed us around in our own farm. There was so much that we could explore in terms of food. This also is found in the forest, and this is cultivated here. All of it is popular with, because taste is it's an acquired taste most of the
Going by
time.
the taste, I think we should go by that nature has given it to
हाँ,
us, and it's good for us.
We just got done with the explanation of this thing. He vegetables and he was explaining more us about how these are grown and how they grow it over here, and how initially, I mean, when they started growing their own, like started doing their own farming, they used to remove out so many things thinking that it's sweet, but then people over here, the locals, and I think we're gonna meet that person who taught them. He told them ki no, they are edible and you can eat them. They are the native vegetables of India. I'm sorry, this is everyone's like around. Anyway, we are gonna have breakfast now, and आज के दिन में lunch and everything also we're gonna have using these veggies and these leaves and everything. So it's very exciting. We're gonna start the day now, so I'm excited, and there's so many dogs. I'm so happy just being around dogs. Bye bye.
First part is able to identify some wild edibles.
Cow ni dog ni सगळं.
Is this tea.
नहीं
मस्त आहे ना?
It's yum. Can I have more?
more yeah
Yes, go for it.
हाँ so these grow this is called oxalis मराठीत आंबोशी बोलतात.
टेस्टच खट्टा ना? शाय आहे ना?
So have you both seen this?
We played.
हाँ okay we that will have thorns there. The small just walk over it, yeah. Make good kadas and stuff of that. You can eat this. yeah. नाही बा असं खायचं अख्खा.
Try.
Only the flowers.
Nice to eat.
These ones, no? From the top.
पीछे का या उसमें अगर एक आध लीफ गया तो फिर बिटर लगेगा बट इतना भी बिटर नहीं है वैसे.
आवळा is crunchy.
So I think this entire thing was divided into 3 parts, and the first part is done where we were trying out different plants, leaves and everything, and it was very interesting. Now we're just waiting for some chai. Generally I don't drink chai. Anyway, for that I think there's a task, a challenge, where we have to, like, we're going to be divided into teams, and then we have to find the leaves and everything, that the plants I think that we just discovered about. So it's fun, it's going pretty well so far, and it's just nice to be breathing fresh air, being surrounded by plants all the time. So this is the house where we are staying in. It's Shardul's house, and he has hosted us, but we've come here through Jack and Hill Adventures. It's run by my friend, and I'll leave his contact details on Instagram page and everything, so if you want to like do an experiential like this, you can get in touch with him. Very different, very adventurous from what we normally do. I mean, it's just like 1 hour from Mumbai, yet so different. Like, it does not feel like it's near Mumbai. Guys, it's time we are going into the difficult part. I don't want to go, yaar. Kitchen, mud. Hey, sambhal. Hey, what if I get stuck?
Don't worry, you'll be fine. We'll pull you out.
I can see snails! I can see snails!
That's okay.
No, wait, I can't.
Okay. Come on, Farah.
I can't, yaar, wait. I can.
Chalo, Farah.
No, yaar, nahi.
I'm going to give you some moral.
मुझे डर लग रहा है बहुत. Those are black insects, a spider.
It's okay. Relax. See, watch. Okay, I am going to go in the same place. You will come in. Okay, watch. Okay. See, मैं कुछ नहीं. Nothing. I'm just walking through. Sorry. Walking in. कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. Nothing has happened to me. Nothing still hasn't happened to me.
But
Nothing still hasn't happened to me.
fuck, wait.
हुआ नहीं है मेरे को.
Can I?
इसको मत पकड़.
तू किसको पकड़ना, तुझे पकड़ के चल रहा
ये राइस है मेरे का काम. Okay.
है. I don't want to go inside.
I think that's the experience. Aja, come on. Put your one leg in. Go straight in. So, ये दिख रहा है? And I'm standing in. Relax.
I really can't go.
Relax. See now.
Oh, yaar, teachers,
pulling
they're not
myself
coming.
up.
Why are we the only ones going in?
Relax. Okay, you want to give me your phone?
Yeah, please.
Arey, relax. कुछ नहीं होने वाला. Nothing. See, do you see anything happening to me?
My leg.
Nothing at all. Okay.
I can't.
Relax.
I'm going to cry.
Why are you going to cry?
I feel I'm going to cry. I can't. Oh God. I'll fall inside.
Arey, it's okay.
Where are you going for him? How do you feel?
Good. Great. It's like I'm regular.
Is this your first experience?
No.
Yeah. Now it feels like a massage.
All around now.
No way.
Forum's feet are soon going to match her shirt.
Yeah. What do we have to find?
You have to find these blue flowers, okay?
Okay.
And pluck only the top 3 leaves. Tabak. Only this.
I'm not talking.
It so doesn't sound like.
I can see slug.
When slug? What's slug?
This black thing.
It's not a slug.
What is this?
It's a cocoon. Come.
Oh, that's slug, huh?
No, it's a cocoon.
But that black kida is called.
उसमें सांप की माँ है.
Eat though. Gaya. They're now plucking the moringa. We are teammates.
Yes.
Yes. Hi.
तू हे पकड़.
She's just scared. Twisted bhindi we're gonna have.
तोड़ दिया तूने, तोड़ दिया.
वैसे भी तोड़ना है
You have broken the bindi.
My lunch.
Congratulations, congratulations.
And गोमूत्र है and ashes too.
ये निकाला मैं
खा पूरा खा.